Wow!
Yeah!
Did it help? Wait here.
Cuckoo!
Hello, it's just me.
I think it helped. Yay!
Great!
Oh no!
Great!
Wait a minute. So are you scared?
Mm-mm.
The witch caught me! Daddy, help me! Daddy! Ah! Daddy! Daddy, help me! The witch caught me! Ah! It's scary, isn't it?
Mm-mm. Hey!
Are you really not scared?
Mm-mm.
Oh, really? I'll show you how scary I can be.
Ow!
Daddy! Hey, Daddy! It's me! Daddy! It's me! Daddy, it's just me!
My hiccups are gone!
Next video!
We need to wash it!
There's no need. Ouch! It hurts!
Call the doctor! Wee-woo, wee-woo, wee-woo! Hello, take a seat. What's the problem?
My stomach hurts.
I see. Lie down, please. Just like I thought, you didn't wash the food before eating. You need surgery right now. Let's begin. Uh-oh! Ooh, ew.
Uh-oh.
Ooh. The stomach. We need to wash it. Oh. All done.
I'm healthy!
Hooray! Oh no! The stomach and large intestines.
This is our heart.
The brain.
The lungs.
You did great. Here's a lollipop and a microscope too. Thank you. Are you biting your nails? No. Never bite your nails. Otherwise, you'll have to stay at the hospital. I won't bite them anymore. I promise. Wow.
Now we're going to check out the bacteria on our hands.
Hello.
All clean.
All clean.
Let's see.
Let's check now. Well, all clean. You should always wash your hands.
Next video. Chicka chicka cha.
Yahoo! Woo!
Daddy!
What just happened?
You must be a unicorn! Oops! Wrong spell! Wrong spell again! Not this! No! Definitely not this one! This is really, really wrong!
Okay, that's enough. Give it to me.
Where are you, my unicorn?
Don't cry. I'll be your unicorn.
Let's go! Go! Yay!
I have something else for you. Ta-da!
A swing?
Sit down. Ow! Can I try? Please, can I try? Give me a turn.
Wow!
Mm-hmm.